Hi guys, today I've got this easy braided half up, half down hairstyle. I've started with curly hair and popped it into a side parting. Now I'm just going to take a slice of hair from the side that has the most hair and I'm going to leave it about an inch back from the front, and I'm simply going to do a 3-strand braid. Add some texture spray all along the braid. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and then just ever so slightly pinch and pull this braid so it's a bit more voluminous. Tie it off with a clear elastic band and flip it out of the way for now. Now we're just going to take another small section of hair directly underneath that first braid and repeat the same steps. So do a 3-strand braid, add your texture spray, pinch and pull, and then secure it with an elastic. Now we're going to move on to the opposite side of the head and we're going to do the same thing again. So take a nice chunk of hair from right beside the part. Make sure you leave about an inch of hair out at the front to soften the look. Split this hair into 3 sections and create another 3-strand braid. Apply your texture spray all along that braid and pinch and pull. Now we're going to take the first braid on the left hand side and we're going to bring it over to the right hand side, move that right hand braid out of the way, and we're just going to pin it to the head underneath that braid. Use as many bobby pins as needed. Now we're going to take the second braid from the left hand side and we're going to drape it just slightly under that first braid, and then we're going to pin it in roughly the same place using a bobby pin or two. Now taking that braid on the right hand side, again we're going to gently drape it underneath those previous 2 braids, leaving a small gap, and then with the ends we're just going to lift up the braid directly above it, pop the ends underneath, and again secure it with a couple of bobby pins. Now to keep these braids nice and secure, I'm just going to weave a bobby pin or 2 along the length of the braids just to keep them in place. Now taking some hair serum, again I'll link this one in the description below, I'm just going to spread that throughout my hands and then gently rake this through the curls just to give it a nice wavy look. This will also help get rid of any flyaways. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.